This video goes over the column preference feature in QPro. This feature allows customers to fully customize their columns and how the list view looks and functions both in cells and the material screen. Let's look at cells first. We're on the Cells Order tab. Then you'll click on the Hide, Unhide Columns button, and this will bring up the Cells Data Grid column settings. The section on the left are all the different available columns that you can select to be shown on the data grid. When you click an option on the left to show in the Cells Order screen, you can see that they add it to the list. This right side is a quick and easy view to see which columns you have selected from the left. We recognize that all customers are different and prefer how the justification looks, and even how the justification looks depending on the data in the individual cells. So you can also have full control over how you would like the data to appear in each cell, left aligned, center aligned, or right aligned. You do that by selecting an item and the corresponding button for left aligned, center aligned, and right aligned. You also have control over the order of the columns. You can drag and drop, or when highlighted, you can use the arrows above to put the columns in the correct order for your report. You also have full control over the width of the individual columns. For example, cell number. This is something that doesn't change often with the amount of characters there'll be, and they are usually much more manageable. So you could set this to be a smaller width, where a name would definitely have more characters, and you can set that to a larger width. You can see above, as I am adjusting the width of the columns, that there's the column width simulator, and this shows approximately how wide that column will appear when you go back to the data grid. So it's very helpful to get a visual on the size and the width of these individual columns. The last feature on here is you're able to either uncheck or check to add or remove. You can also quickly uncheck right from this list, and it will uncheck on the left-hand side. So adding and deleting is very easy with this tool. Setting the justification, seeing all of the columns that you have, the order, and the width of the columns. We hope this helps you build easy to read reports and get the data that you need. You'll want to make sure at the end that you save and close to make sure that your settings are saved and applied. The list will reload, and then you will see the new settings take place. Also, it is the same for materials. There are different column names, so the column names and the options do change based on whether being in the cell screen or the material screen, or a specific tab also within a material screen. The concept is the same, and all of the features are available. Thank you.